Good morning. I am just about ready to go out for a walk. I gotta go to the refill shop and drop off this purple suede jacket at the dry cleaners. Otherwise, I don't really have a plan for today. Maybe I'll go to the beach again. We'll see. So I just finished at the vintage shop. I found this really beautiful white dress. I'll probably try it on later. But also this rattan wicker magazine rack. It's super cute. I don't know what I'm going to put in it. Maybe some towels or something, but I couldn't pass it up. So I spent the morning at a cafe and then went to the antique store and I found a wicker like newspaper stand. I think it'll be really cute for towels or something. I'll figure it out. But anyways, I am now at the laundromat because your girl ran out of underwear. TMI. But I gotta do some laundry and I don't know what else to do for today. It's hot and I'm like, I want to go to the beach, maybe rinse off a little. Maybe I'll go to the pottery studio. We'll see. I also was thinking I would go for a drive, but like 45 minutes? I don't know. We'll see. I'll know when the time comes. My place is such a hot mess because number one, I feel like I've been just living and haven't had the chance to tidy up, but also I'm planning on moving, so it seems a little overwhelming to get everything together, but I have like 25 days, so if I do at least an hour a day, I'll be good, hopefully.